Minista wa githomo Prof George Magoha akoretwo muhari-ini wa mbere gutongoria mihang'o ya gutigirira arutwo othe aria mararikirie kirathi gia kanana mwaka muthiru nimaingira kirathi gia form 1. Mihang'o ino ikimurokia mwena wa Kaptembwa gicigo-ini kia bunge kia Nakuru Town West gutigirira arutwo othe aria mari micii-ini nimathie cukuru. Akirikia kuhungura micii-ini, ciana 34 ikirutururwo na kwerekerio macukuru-ini matiganite, 10 ao magitwarwo cukuru-ini wa secondary wa Nakuru Town West.
Nimeshukuru na nimefurahia kwa kunifikisha huku shuleni. Nimejaribu, nimeshindwa. Alikuwa na max 235.
We are still going on, but I thought it would be nice to tell you that we have already gotten 34 children. 10 of them are being admitted to this school where we are speaking from, and I want to thank the
ahinyiriirie ati no nginya arutwo othe igana kwa igana matigirirwo nimaingira form 1, akiuga ati nginyagia riu gicunji kia 96 hari igana nio mareketie kuingira macukuru.
As I speak, we are at 96% countrywide. Our target is to reach 100% by Friday.
Kuringana nake gutire mwana ufatie kugirio guthie cukuru ni tondu wa kwaga uniform, akiuga kiria kire na bata ni mafuku na thirikari ni irutite mafuku ma kuigana macukuru-ini.
Let the children not move from school because they don't have uniform. Let them start learning with what they have. The government of the Republic of Kenya has already provided books, so the books are there. For the avoidance of doubt, the 22,500 that the government gives to free day secondary school does not include uniforms. So let us be sensitive.
Mihang'o ya gutigirira arutwo othe nimaingira form 1 irakinyanirio unyitanĩri-inĩ na maabitha a wathani wa matura. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.